release of groans, so you don't have large groans at the end of the day.
All right, good morning, YouTube. It is exactly 8 o'clock, 42 degrees this morning. It is very quite chilly. I don't even know if that makes sense. We had an interesting night last night. We had a couple visitors driving through here, hanging out, playing loud music and stuff, which was quite entertaining.
Yeah, Bohemian Rhapsody.
Kept us awake a little bit, but that's okay. Anyways.
Donuts.
Yeah.
So we're sitting at the trailhead to the Roberts Lake Trail. This used to be the historic southern terminus of the Florida Trail in 2013.
Sorry, it's cold out. The batteries die.
All right. So they moved the terminus in 2013 to the Oasis Center, 8 miles that way to make it easier for people to find the Florida National Scenic Trail. There used to be a kiosk here. All that is gone. And then you have that parking lot over there.
That had a picnic table and a trash can.
Also, one last thing. The trail is maintained by Richard Warren. He's one of the last people that keeps this really great for us.
Keeps this section alive.
Yeah, for us people that like to do the Key West.
Sorry about that again.
We're back. So yeah, he keeps this section alive for us who do the Key West ECT.
And so also, this is the first section of trail that's actually going to have blazes for us, so we know where we're going.
Blue blaze.
So this is a blue blaze. Florida Trail will be orange blaze. And before the camera dies again, we're going to head off into the swamp.
Right away, it's swampy.
Let's go.
Slosh, slosh. How is it?
Stay dry.
I'm going in. I guess I could see some rock. Oh, it is cold. Whoa. So far this morning, just starting off, it is about this deep. The water is pretty cold, but I feel like it's what our feet needed after so many road walks. So it really feels good on the feet. It's not too muddy either.
right, so it's 11:30. We are just getting done with our break at Frog Island, I think it's called. It's about 3.5 in for the day. It took us 3 hours to get here. Here's what it looks like. There's a couple camp spots. I'd say maybe 3. You could maybe fit a little more in here, but I don't know, it's probably just 3. There's a water spigot back there, but it says non-potable. Rob's got some of it, and he said it kind of smelled like sulfur a little bit, but he filtered some, so we'll see how that works out. And there's a little fire pit area here too, so it's kind of a cool little camp. It's got a lot of palm trees around. But yeah, next stop, Southern Terminus. Woo! Woohoo! So this is what walking through the swamp's like. It's not so bad. The water actually feels really nice. It's about shin to knee deep on me right now. There's like weeds, mud, rocks. There's some holes in the rocks. So it kind of makes it slow going. You can't really go too fast. It's slippery. But other than that, not too bad. There's only maybe 2 times I got spooked. And that was just because it was a big kind of open area with a lot of water. And it got kind of deep. It was like up to my thighs, and Kevin wasn't around. It was very alligator-esque. So I got a little freaked out, but other than that, it's been pretty good, right, babe?
What?
It's been pretty good?
Yeah.
He's listening to a podcast.
No, I don't have it on right now. I just can't hear.
Oh. Do you got any insight on the swamp?
So what I found during the muddy spots, usually with trekking poles you're like this. Go like this. Step, 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 step.
Like you're skiing.
You have more balance from falling.
Yeah, so far, neither one of us has fallen yet. Rob has fallen 3 times, and Rick partially fell once. So, it's been blazed pretty good. So, we haven't really had any trouble navigating. And there's been some jungle parts that were like really dense. But other than that, keep moving forward, and we'll be to the Florida Trail, the real Florida Trail, in no time. Just kidding, we have several miles left. Here comes Silverback. Silverback's done. It's dry land though. Woo! All right, so we made it.
ECT
We
complete.
are now done with stage 2 of our through hike, and we will shortly be beginning the regular Florida
Yeah,
Trail.
now we finally made it to the Florida Trail.
The Florida Trail. So now we have 30 miles more of swamp.
Yeah. If I could give you guys any helpful tips on that last section, we just seen a couple come up. They hiked 7 miles in and they had no mud on them at all, and we just had to sit out and spray for like 10 minutes off our feet. Take your time.
It is slow going.
Slow.
Don't try to rush.
And yeah, because you can roll an ankle, tear an ACL, something out there, and you're just gonna make things worse.
Yeah. But it's an adventure, and yeah. I would want to do it if I've never done it before. I would recommend it. Would I do it again? Maybe not, but I would definitely recommend doing it one time.
Yeah.
To be fair, right?
Yeah. I mean, you gotta say you did it, right?
Yeah. So anyways, we're gonna close out this section. And yeah, in our next video, we will be starting the Florida Trail from right here, this very spot. Woo. We're very excited.
All right.
Thanks for watching.